one of the most ideal diets to reduce fat accumulation in the liver is Mediterranean diet, which is also low in carbs and rich in fresh fruits and vegetables, as well as healthy sources of fats like olive oil, seeds and nuts. The study titled, "The Beneficial Effects of Mediterranean Diet Over Low-Fat Diet May Be Mediated by Decreasing Hepatic Fat Content" was published in the Journal of Hepatology, and it was conducted by a team of researchers from Ben-Gurion University of Negev. For the study, the researchers looked at full-body magnetic imaging resonance (MRI) scans of 278 obese participants. The scientists looked at the impacts of two specific diets on the body fat distribution of the participants, and the scan showed them detailed pictures of the fat distribution before, during and after the trial period of 18 months. The researchers found that Mediterranean diet significantly reduced hepatic fat, the fat that accumulates around the liver, pancreas and the heart. Mediterranean diet was found to be more effective at reducing hepatic fat, as compared to all other diets with similar calorie budgets.